What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the LeanBiome before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the LeanBiome works. What is LeanBiome? LeanBiome is a probiotic dietary supplement that's packed with lean bacteria species that help support healthy weight loss. The proprietary formula combines 9 clinically researched lean bacteria species with Greenselect Phytosome and caffeine-free green tea extract formulated with patented absorption-boosting phytosome technology. The key research-backed ingredients included in the formula are Lactobacillus gasseri, Lactobacillus Rhamnosus, Lactobacillus Fermentum, and Greenselect Phytosome. The manufacturer of the LeanBiome fat-burning formula assures that the formula is designed to balance your imbalanced gut flora. A single bottle of LeanBiome capsule contains 30 vegan capsules for a month's usage. LeanBiome ingredients. The LeanBiome ingredient helps to reverse the bacterial imbalance in your gut microbiome. The key ingredients used in the formulation of this natural blend is given below in this LeanBiome review. Lactobacillus gasseri. Lactobacillus gasseri is a microbiome that helps to maintain healthy vaginal flora and aid in weight loss. Scientific studies and clinical trials have proven that Lactobacillus gasseri can be used to prevent peptic ulcers, inflammatory bowel disease, and bacterial vaginosis. Lactobacillus rhamnosus. Lactobacillus rhamnosus is a bacteria that produces lactase enzymes which break down the lactose into lactic acid. It has zillions of health benefits such as preventing diarrhea, aiding gut health, protecting against cavities, and preventing UTIs. Lactobacillus fermentum. Lactobacillus fermentum is a probiotic bacteria that helps to manage a healthy level of cholesterol and improves your immunity power. It also creates a gut flora that improves fat oxidation and thus helps to control obesity. Greenselect Phytosome. Greenselect Phytosome consists of polyphenols such as EA, which helps to fight against free radicals, reduce inflammation, and prevent cell damage. It is free from caffeine and promotes weight loss, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases, stroke, and diabetes. How does LeanBiome work on burning excess fat? LeanBiome is a probiotic supplement that contains 9 clinically researched lean bacteria species. These ingredients are known to improve your gut biome and they are essential to keep you healthy. Each of these ingredients directly affects the absorption of the nutrients in your body. LeanBiome dietary pill works on the basis of the gut-brain axis. Gut-brain axis is the communication between your gut and brain to release the hunger hormones such as leptin and ghrelin. That's why scientific studies show that a healthy gut flora helps with healthy weight loss. What are the benefits of LeanBiome? While gathering LeanBiome reviews from customers, they have reported many positive feedbacks about the supplement. Some of the key benefits that you can expect on taking LeanBiome dietary supplement are: the LeanBiome probiotic weight loss pills help balance the microbiome in your digestive system. The microbiomes included in the LeanBiome supplement are known to prevent and treat diarrhea. These probiotic strains are scientifically proven to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. LeanBiome formula is clinically proven to help your body to digest food easily. It helps to break down and absorbs nutrients from your food. LeanBiome capsule helps support the cells present inside your gut to prevent bad bacteria from your gut.